Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Okay, now let us go to the problem. A continuous random variable x is defined by f of x is equal to 3 plus x whole square by 16 if minus 3 is less than or equal to x is less than minus 1. 6 minus 2x squared by 16 if minus 1 is less than or equal to x less than minus 1. And 3 minus x whole square by 16 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 and 0 elsewhere. Okay, now problem is verify that f of x is density function and find also the mean of x. We need to solve two problems. First one is we have to verify whether f of x is PDF, probability density function, or not. And the second one is we need to find out the mean of x if it is a density function. Okay, in order to prove that f of x is a density function, we have to prove that its total probability is 1. Okay, now solution is given by okay, to prove that f of x is a PDF probability density function, we have to prove that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Let us separate this integration about these intervals. Okay, that is integral minus infinity to minus 3 f of x dx plus minus 3 to minus 1 f of x dx plus minus 1 to plus 1 minus 1 to plus 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to infinity f of x dx. Okay, that must be equals to 1. Okay, we have to find out this value. If this value is 1, then f of x will be probability density function. But as per the given problem, this function, the first one and the last one, become 0. Okay, now 0 plus integral minus 3 to minus 1 f of x. F of x is defined in this interval as 3 plus x whole square by 16. 3 plus x whole square by 16 in this interval, minus 3 to minus 1. Minus 3 to minus 1. 3 plus x by 16. 3 plus x whole square dx plus minus 3 to minus 1, minus 3 to minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. Within this interval f of x is defined as 6 minus 2x square by 16, 6 minus 2x square by 16 dx. Okay, and within this interval 1 to 3 f of x is defined as, within 1 to 3 f of x is defined as 3 minus x whole square by 16, 3 minus x whole square by 16 dx. Okay, now expand 3 plus x whole square as a plus by using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2a formula, as a 3 square plus x square plus 2 into 3 into x. Okay, by 16, 16 is constant. Here also 6 minus 2x square. Expand using a minus b whole square formula as a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x. Then integrate it. After integrating, apply the limits, respective limits, upper limit and lower limit in this 3 of integrations. Then we will get, for the first integration the value is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and for the second integral value will be 2 by 3. Integral value of this expression is 1 by 6. Okay, now on summing all these values we will get 6 is the LCM, 1 time 1 plus 2 times 2 into 2 4 plus 1 time 1, 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Therefore total summation is 1. Therefore total probability is proved as 1. Therefore f of x is PDF, probability density function. Okay, next we need to find the mean of x. Okay, mean of the random variable x is given by e of x is equal to integral within limits. We can use the limits as minus 3 to plus 3, minus 3 to plus 3 f of x into f of x dx, because other than this outside of this interval f of x is defined as 0. Okay, now separate this integration about these intervals, that is integral minus 3 to minus 1 x into f of x plus minus 1 to plus 1 x into f of x dx plus 1 to 3 x into f of x dx. Okay, now integral minus 3 to minus 1 x. Okay, within this interval f of x is defined as 3 plus x whole square by 16 dx plus minus 1 to 1. In this interval f of x is defined as 6 minus 2x square by 16 plus within 1 to 3 f of x is defined as 3 minus x whole square by 16. Okay, now e of x. Okay, here minus 3 to minus 1, x into 3 plus x whole square, that is 9 plus x square plus 2 into 3 into x, 6x by 16 plus minus 1 to 1, x into 6, 6x minus x into 2x square, 2x cube by 16 dx. Okay, plus integral 1 to 3 x into 9 plus x square minus 6x by 16. Okay, in the second integration we observe that this is an odd function. Okay, odd function means if f of x is equal to f of x is equal to minus of f of x is equal to minus of f of x, then f of x is called as odd function. Okay, odd function. Okay, therefore this is 6x minus 2x cube, this is an odd function, and also you can observe that it has same limits with opposite signs, 1 minus 1, therefore its value will become 0. Okay, now integral minus 3 to minus 1, 9 into x, 9x plus x into x square, x cube plus 6x square by 16 plus integral 1 to 3 9x plus x cube minus 6x square by 16. Okay, okay, here also we have to integrate these two integrations. Integral value of x is x square by 2, integral value of x cube is x power of 4 by 4, x square x cube by 3, integral value of x square. Here also integrate x cube x square. Okay, after integration apply the limits minus 3 and minus 1. Here after integration apply limits 1 and 3, you will get 0. Therefore mean of capital X is 0. Mean of capital X is 0. Okay, let us go to the second problem. A continuous random variable Ax as the distribution function. Okay, there is a difference between distribution function and probability density function. Okay, that is if capital F of x is a distribution function, then f of x is equal to derivative of this distribution function, derivative of x is probability density function. Therefore in this problem probability distribution function is defined as 0 if x is less than or equal to 1 and k into x minus 1 power of 4 if minus 1 is less than x less than or equal to 3, 1 if x is greater than 3. Okay, now first we must find out probability density function. Okay, probability density function is given by f of x is equal to derivative of f dash x. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to derivative of 0. Derivative of 0 is 0 if x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, and the derivative of k into x minus 1 power of 4, x minus 1 power of 4, that is 4 into constant k into x minus 1, 4 into k into x minus 1 cube, whole cube, that is if minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Okay, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, and when x is greater than 0, derivative of 1 is 0. Therefore probability density function is defined to be 0 if x is greater than 3. Okay, therefore f of x is a PDF. Then I will give this problem for you. Okay, you can find out the value of k, and PDF is already find out mean. You have to find out the value of k and mean. Okay, there are so many videos in the previous lessons, just watch them, then they'll learn how to find out the probability between the given intervals, and how to find out the mean, how to find out the value of capital K. Okay, solve this problem.